Think you missed your chance to get a golf cart this summer? You didn't. It's July. There's still plenty of summer ahead, and we're delivering all season long. July is a great time to buy. Inventory is strong, delivery is fast, and you'll have the rest of summer plus Georgia's beautiful fall weather to enjoy it. This is the season golf carts are made for. Summer cookouts, lake days, sunset cruises, trips to the pool, and easy rides around the neighborhood. Already own a cart? Summer heat can be tough on batteries and other essential components. Now is the perfect time for a service check. Our factory-trained technicians handle batteries, tires, brakes, and complete diagnostics, all in-house. Beat the seasonal backlog and schedule your service today. Managing a fleet for a resort, campground, or commercial property? Mid-season is the right time to make sure every cart is performing at its best. Whether you're buying, servicing, or upgrading, it all starts with one call. Visit us in Dawsonville or Buford, or learn more at NorthAtlantaGolfCarts.com.